having seen the earnings season very closely, Q4 earnings season, which are the sectors or segments where you see that, despite the geopolitical risk, macro challenges, there are some sectors which will grow at healthy double digits from here?
So every issue of the kind that we are experiencing clears the mind, and when it does so, policy making gets focused in those spaces. So if the issue is oil price increase and it is unsustainable, it's like we are bleeding 7 billion a month, how do we get over it? So the next time it happens, we are better prepared. It is by increasing electricity generation through domestic sources. Now, so, expect more focus on coal. It sounds strange, but coal is what we have. We need electricity. This is a country of 145 crores of us. The cheapest form of electricity. We will use it if oil is so expensive. Point one. It could be coal gasification. It could be, compressed biogas. Yes, it will be solar, wind, and BESS, right? It would be move away from ICE into EVs. Okay, already we have achieved close to 100% electrification in railways. More such spaces could come up. So electrification. Now, when this is happening, clearly it means that unlike in the past when electricity demand used to move in line with economic growth plus minus 0.5%, expect that percentage delta to be more and on the higher side as we go forward. Now, when you are again pressed with this kind of a scenario, the other thing that you are looking for is, importing less, trying to export more. So, importing less, how do we do it? By incentivizing domestic industry for import substitution. So, see more of those initiatives happening. So, cheaper land, PLIs, revenue based incentives. So, all of that kind should be expected to continue. To replace substitute imports. We are looking at the world and the nature of warfare has changed materially. There is one kind of war being fought between Russia and Ukraine. I would say that's more traditional. There is another kind which happened between the West and Iran, where what you saw was completely different dimension. Now, every country to its ability will end up trying to be in a better position versus what you have seen. So this again becomes a multi-year growth theme, not only in India, but globally. And of course, with it, stuff that doesn't get impacted by oil price and all, which is digitalization, continues, move away from savings to capital market continues. So, these are clear themes where impact of war is not there. In fact, since policy focus may be more here, in some manner, they could be winners of the situation that we are in.